My dear students, today I am going to explain you one two questions in chemistry. The first question is calculate the number of moles of nitrogen in 7 gram of nitrogen. The solution is since 1 mole of any substance is equals to 1 gram molecular weight of that substance. Therefore, molecular weight of N2 that is equals to 2 into 14 because there are two atoms of nitrogen, and nitrogen's number atomic mass is 14, so it is 2 into 14 that is equals to 28. Therefore gram molecular weight of N2 is equals to 28 gram. Now therefore 28 gram of nitrogen is equals to 1 mole of N2, and therefore 7 gram of N2 is equals to 1 into 7 by 28, that is equals to 7 4 is 28, so 1 by 4, and that is equals to 0.25 moles. Therefore the number of moles in 7 gram of N2 is equals to 0.25 moles. Now the second question is calculate the mass of 50 cc, that is cm cubed, or you can say cubic centimeter of carbon monoxide CO at STP, that is the standard temperature index. Solution is since 1 mole equals to 1 gram molecular weight and it occupies 22 point liter of that substance at STP. Okay. Now so gram molecular weight of carbon monoxide is equals to 12.60 because one atom of carbon and one atom of oxygen. So one atom of carbon is that is 12 and oxygen is 16. So 12 per 16 is 28 gram. So since 1 mole of carbon monoxide is equals to 1 gram molecular weight and it occupies 22.4 liter. Yes, and you know that 1 liter equals to 1000 cm cubed, and therefore 22.4 liter is equals to 22,400 cc, that is cm cubed. Therefore, so we say that since mass of 22,400 cc of carbon monoxide is 28 gram, therefore mass of 1 cc, that is cm cubed of carbon monoxide is 28 by 22,400, and therefore 50 cc of carbon monoxide mass is equals to 28 into 50 by 22,400. Here 0 0 cancel, and by 5 you are cancelling this to 240, then you get 448. So 28 by 448, and again both are divisible by 7, so 7 4 is 28, and here it is 64, so 4 by 64, and this 4 by 64 is equals to 1 by 16 because 64 is 64, and 1 by 16 is equals to 0.0625 gram. So this is our answer. Now the third question is calculate the gram molecules present in 45 gram of water. Solution is we know that gram molecule is the relative molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams. So gram molecules is equals to mass in grams of water, because of water we are finding out. So whichever substance is there, that's mass which is given in the question, that will be written up by relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass means molecular weight of that substance which we are going to find out according to the question. So here 45 is the mass of water that is given in the question, divided by, and in the question of what in water only we are concerned. So water's molecular mass is 18. So 45 by 18 is equals to 5 by 2 because both are divisible by 9. So 5 by 2 is equals to 2.5 gram molecules. This is our answer. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.